Hello. Good morning, everyone. Mega love shout out to all the subscribers and on subscribe to like, share. Don't forget to ring the bell buttons for the next notification. Three, like, leave a comment, subscribe. Four. Alright. Okay, guys, let us continue our lesson about the congruence triangles. And today we can have more examples so that you can understand it properly. Okay, so we have here determine whether each of the following pairs of figures is congruent. Okay, so if triangle DEF, now usually we put the center or the middle letter as their vertex for the right angle, but it depends also, no? So if they have the same, so it's if this triangle, no, this is a right triangle, it's drawn on a sheet of transparency and it's flipped over, the figure will be the same as the figure on the left. So pag binaliktad natin ito, pag flip natin, the same, no? So therefore, we could say the triangle ABC is exactly, the transparency fits. Therefore, we could say the triangle ABC is congruent to triangle EF. Okay, so magkamukha kasi sila. Next. Okay, so we have here the invisible. So let's continue. Determine whether the sides or angles of our corresponding sides are equal. Okay. So we could say that angle N, this one, angle N and angle Y are corresponding. These are corresponding angle or CA. We just shortcut. It's difficult to know. Then we have angle S, this side, and angle U are congruent. Also, corresponding angle. Or we could say that um, we can name this as what? When we say corresponding, we can write it like this. So angle N correspond to angle Y. And we could say that angle S correspond to angle U. Same also angle O corresponds to angle U. Okay. So we have here this what we call this one, this one, no, this symbol is meaning correspondence. Okay, corresponds. Then segment SO, no, so we have SO here, and segment GY. Oh, SO GY, no, they are not corresponding side, not okay. Then SN and GY. Ayan. So these are these are ano, no? So They are correspondence. Then NO, this one, okay. Correspondence, okay. Right, next. Okay, so we have triangle KLM congruent to triangle XYZ. Determine the corresponding congruent sides and angles. Okay, so if we are going to draw that, for example, we have right triangle KLM, and we do have right triangle uh, X Y Z. Okay, so angle L, no, the corresponding side is its corresponding side or corresponding angle, I mean, is angle Y. Okay, for angle Z, okay, so this one, for angle Z, the corresponding angle is angle K. Okay, so angle K correspond to angle K. For segment YZ, okay, YZ this one or this one sa taas, no? It corresponds to segment KL. So this side here is ano yan, corresponds. Then we have KM. Okay, KM corresponds to ZX. It corresponds to or the segments ZX or XA. Okay, question. So if none, let's go. So, here, given the measure of an angle, if measure angle is 40, and another is so probably we do have what type of angle. So because this is already 100, the remaining must be 80. So it's like scalene, no? Scalene. Yeah, it's scalene. So probably we can name this as uh, ESP. Now, if this is 40 degrees, okay, then probably on the second, okay, let's make it smaller. Let's make smaller. It's too big. Does it look okay? It's much better now. So we have D. Okay, so this is DIR. Okay. So if your measure angle I is 60, okay? Now, probably we can find the measure angle R. Okay. So we can see here that they are congruent. So that means ESP, their sides are congruent, right? Okay. So of course, this one is also congruent, or they correspond to each other. Now, so if this is 60, probably this is also 60. Okay. So we have measure angle E plus measure angle L is equals to 1 plus, let's have add the, no, the, okay. So because I think, no, um, okay, so this angle here is also 40. This angle D, because they correspond to each other. Yes? Yes or not? Yes. Yes, it is. And this one also here. Of course, your angle P is corresponds to angle R. Okay. Okay, let's now try to solve the R. So for measure angle R uh, plus measure angle angle D plus measure angle I, that is equal to 180 degrees. Okay, so we have here 40 plus 60 plus 2x plus 32 equals 180 degrees. So we have here 100 plus 2x plus 32 equals 180. Okay, so if we are going to move it here, that means 2x plus 132 equals 180. Okay, so 2x is equals to 180 minus 132. X is equals to, okay, 10 minus 2 is equals to 8. This will become 7. 7 minus 3 is 4. Okay, so your X is 48. Okay, so that will be true. So 38, now if we are going to find the R, that's 48 plus 32, we got 80. So it's true because 100 plus 80, no, is equals to 180 degrees. Okay, so these are now correct. Okay, guys, so I hope you understand. So for our journal number, reflect on these quotes about congruent. So be congruent, be authentic, be yourself. So try to write at least 50 words and 1 to 2 paragraphs. So for questions and clarifications, please leave your comment at the comment section. Remember, gratitude is the best attitude.